Transforming agri-food systems requires more than technical solutions. It requires clear, coherent and inclusive legal frameworks. Laws and policies shape how land, water, forest, fisheries and food systems are governed, and ultimately, who benefits from them. This is why the Sustainable Wildlife Management Programme, with the legal office of FAO, created the Legal Hub to make law a driver of sustainable agri-food systems.
The process begins when a government reaches out to FAO. Together, priority sectors are identified, those most critical to national development, sustainable management of natural resources, and food and nutrition security. At this stage, national legal experts collect existing laws, policies and regulations across the priority sectors. These instruments are then analyzed using legal diagnostic tools, which consist of sector-specific sets of thematic guiding questions.
These are designed specifically to ensure consistency and analytical depth and comparability across countries and sectors. The Legal Hub now relies on 18 such diagnostic tools, while additional tools can be developed on demand to respond to emerging needs. An essential component of this process is to ground law in reality. For this reason, legal analysis is complemented by the documentation of customary norms and practices at the local level. This approach ensures that law reform processes can rely on first-hand knowledge of how resources are actually accessed, used and governed on the ground. And this, in turn, strengthens the relevance, the legitimacy and the effectiveness of resulting legal and policy reforms. The sustainability of the Legal Hub is further ensured through its integration with FOWLEX and the use of purpose-built artificial intelligence. This facilitates the continuous updating of existing legal analysis and ensures that information remains current and relevant.
Before being published on the Legal Hub, the legal analyses are finally technically validated by governments and FAO. The Legal Hub has received tens of thousands of visits and has triggered and supported participatory law reform processes in over a dozen countries, helping translate evidence into concrete legal and policy change.
Indeed, by strengthening the legal foundations of agri-food systems, the Legal Hub helps enable better production through clear and predictable rules, support better nutrition through coherent food systems government, protect a better environment through sustainable resource management, and contribute to a better life for all by promoting equity, legal certainty and inclusive participation. The Legal Hub is a prime example of how FAO, celebrating its 80+1 anniversary this year, continues to deliver on its mandate and implement the basic text with a pioneering approach, driven by foresight and innovation.
Leveraging the latest technological advancements, this platform represents a paradigm shift in providing cross-sectoral understanding of the legal frameworks governing agri-food systems in member countries.
This benefits a wide range of stakeholders worldwide, including government officials, development partners, civil society organizations, academics, scientists and lawyers. Additionally, it serves as a key resource for private sector actors, providing clarity on national regulatory conditions and investment environments. In short, the Legal Hub turns law into an enabler of sustainable investment, inclusive governance and agri-food systems transformation.